Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry guys, my face is not in the video today because I have the flu. I am really ill at the moment. But if you want to learn how to create this midnight starry shooting star kind of look, and then this bomb sparkly bright look for the summer, then continue watching. So guys, to start this eye off, I have already put the P. Louise Base Rumor number 3 on my eyelid, and I'm not going to set this eye. I'm taking the shade Delicious on a Morphe M321, and I'm going to pat that. So this shade I want to take like a third into my eyelid on the corner, and then I'm going to pat it all the way around. This part doesn't need to be neat. We just want to get it into our position. I'm not using swiping motions, I'm literally just taking the colour and patting it on. So now that I'm happy with where I have this shade Delicious, sorry guys, I didn't tell you what shade I was going with. This is the shade Delicious. Now I'm happy with where I've placed it. I'm now going in with the shade Soaked, and I'm going to blend this out. So guys, I'm taking the shade Soaked on a Morphe M321. I'm tapping off any excess that I have, and I'm just going to stamp it like and blend. I'm doing small circular motions so the blend is really nice. And at this point, if you feel like you're losing a bit of the darkness from our first shade, don't worry, we can always go back in and get some of that colour back. So now that I'm happy with how that shade Soaked is looking on the edges, nice and blended, I'm going to go back in with the shade Delicious and just darken that. So again, just taking the same brush that we used previously, I'm just going to stamp in where I need that shade to be darker. You should have something that now looks like this. So now I'm going to cut this crease, and I'm going to just be using a small concealer brush. This is by Fox 81483, and I'm taking my P. Louise base to cut this crease. I'm actually going to cut this crease pretty higher, and I'm not going to set that cut crease. Just going to take off any excess product because we don't want it to be glooby. So now we are going to take that same shade Delicious, and we are just going to pack it into the corner and then blend it inwards. Kind of doing it at an angled shape. Now on a Morphe M124, I'm taking the shade Bite Me, which is this gorgeous purple metallic, and I'm going to pop that right next to that blue. Going back in with Delicious just to blend the edges a little bit. Not adding product, just blending it all in together. Now to bring some life and some colour, like some bright colour to this eye, I'm going to take the shade Lemon Drop and put it in the inner corner and blend it into the purple. Oh, that colour is so beautiful. And now we're just going to blend the purple and the yellow in together. And now we have the tops of our eyes done. We're going to concentrate on the bottom. So taking that first shade Delicious, I'm just going to pop that onto my lower lash line. I'm not taking it all the way in, just like halfway or a third of the way. Then I'm going to take that shade Soaked and just blend that out. And now what we're going to do is just again put in some purple first and then yellow into the inner corner. And then now going to put in some yellow into the inner corner. So what I'm going to do now is put in some black eyeliner into my waterline, put on some lashes, and then we'll be back with the final eye look. So guys, this is the final look for this. I don't even know what to call it. I like to think of it like a midnight glam. It's like deep and dark, but then you just have like the pop of colors, like, you know, when you see a night sky and then you see some comets flying through. This is the kind of look that it reminds me of. So yeah, so this is a deep dark look, and the next look isn't going to be as complicated with so many colors and blending. So we're going to get on to the second look, so hope you like this. So guys, for this eye, I have also used the P. Louise base. I mean, you could most probably do this eye without having the P. Louise base on. You could also just use your regular concealer and set it, because obviously I was doing this eye, so I just decided to do the same with this one. But yeah, so this next eye can actually be done without using a tacky base. So I'm just putting some of that P. Louise underneath my eye because I do want to have a really bright under eye, so I really want that to show up. And guys, heads up, you know this base can be used as a concealer as well. It's actually pretty sickening. Okay, so we have our base done, and let's get into the easy eyeshadow. So guys, for this look, because I did a pretty intricate one on the right, I really want to do one on this side that's really easy. You can do in like 5 minutes and leave the house, you know, it's something really quick. I'm going in with the shade Suck, and I'm gonna pat that all over my lid. Take that above my crease area too. Just all over the lid, guys. So guys, using that same brush, the packing brush, I'm actually just gonna blend out the edges. I want to have quite an impact with this color, so I am taking it pretty high up. Just blending it all the way upwards. Blending it higher on the edges. And this is what you should have right now once it's all blended. So now what I'm doing, guys, I'm taking a packing brush and I'm taking the shade Orange Soda, and I'm literally just gonna pat that all over my lid space. I'm not putting it in any specific way, just patting that so we get a bit of sparkle on the eye. Color is so beautiful. Now I'm gonna go back in with that shade Suck, and I'm just gonna blend out the edges so it doesn't look like we've just packed on this shimmer in a crazy way. This look isn't meant to be, you know, crazy detailed. This is just meant to be really quick. You could even put that shimmer on with your finger and it would still look as good. And that is the top half of our eye already done. So guys, for the bottom of our eye, I am taking the shimmer Lemon Drop, and I'm gonna just place that all underneath my lid. Oh, just look at that color, it's so beautiful. And now we are going to take our first brush that we use Suck on, and we're just going to blend out the yellow, but we're not putting on any more product. So now that the eye is complete, and I know you guys are most probably thinking, oh my gosh, this was so simple and so quick, but sometimes the simple and the quick ones are just the most impactful, and they just save us a lot of time. So guys, I'm gonna go in and put some liner and some lashes on, and I'll be back. So guys, this is the final look. I'm loving it. It's so sparkly and pretty, and during the sun, like during the daytime when the sunlight is just sparkling and glistening on it, this is gonna look amazing. Like, I'm putting on my phone light just so you guys can see how it's sparkling and how gorgeous it'll look in the daytime. It's just everything combined together, just looks beautiful. So guys, these are the two final looks, and I hope you really like them. They're really simple. Well, this one is a bit more difficult than this one, but yeah, they're really easy to do. So I hope you guys recreate them, and if you obviously do, then tag me in them. My Instagram is DivaAshUK, and if you do want to see some more looks using the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker Palette, then let me know down in the comments below. And yeah guys, I'm sorry obviously my face wasn't in this one. It's because I have the flu. I'm so ill right now, but I did want to still do some looks and some videos for you guys. Hashtag dedication. And yeah, so I did want to get some content out for you guys. So yeah, hopefully in my next video you'll see my full face. If you did like this video, then leave me a big thumbs up. And if you are not part of the YouTube family and the Diva Army, then make sure to hit that subscribe button. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Oh guys, before you go, on this eye is the sub button. So if you haven't subscribed already, make sure to hit that. And over on the orange side is my next video. So if you have nothing else to do and you just want to see some new looks, then hit that right there. Bye!